Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Xpedition Rock Sliders. These sliders fit the 2024 Plus Polaris Xpedition 4-door models. Install time is around 45 to 60 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by doing some prep work. This cap, shown here, along the bottom edge of your Xpedition, will need to be removed at the rear and front positions. Remove the cap, using a 1.5-inch hole saw, or something similar. Now, remove the 6 factory T40 Torx bolts that run along the bottom edge of the underside, front to back. These are not shown. Next, take the rear section of the rock slider and slide it into place, as you see here. If needed, tap it into position, as it fits tightly. Now, reinstall the 3 factory T40 Torx bolts along the bottom edge, securing the slider to the bodywork. The locations are shown here. Next, install the rear mounting hardware using a 5mm extended bit or wrench. Slide the bolt into the rear mounting hole, then, from the back side, slip on the washer and backing nut. Tighten the slider down, using a 13mm wrench, on the backing nut. Now, let's install the socket head in place, on the front section, of the rock slider. Holding the slider as you see here, slide in the 8mm Allen bolt, and thread on the socket head to the back side, as you see here, but keep it loose enough so it all lines up. Next, install the slider into the framework, making sure the socket head slides into the frame too. Then, line up the middle sections and tap into place. Now, grab the 4 supplied 4mm Allen bolts, and secure the front and rear sections together, as you see here. Then, reinstall the front 3 factory Torx bolts, and tighten down. Next, go back, and tighten down the front mounting position. You will definitely need a long bit to get this done. Now, go back, and fully tighten down the center 4 bolts. Finally, check for door clearance, and if needed, use a dead blow hammer, and some of the rubber packaging it came with, to tap the slider down in the front. Some small adjustments may be needed. Now, repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle, and that should be all it takes. You are ready to hit the trail. Congrats, that completes your DRT Xpedition Rock Slider install. These Xpedition Rock Sliders contour to the vehicle body for a clean and refined look. Made of 1/8 plate steel that is precision laser cut, formed, tabbed, gusseted, and welded to provide the most rigid construction possible to get you through the harshest environments. All steel components are finished in the DRT signature sand black powder coat and feature contrast aluminum logo backing plates to show you're choosing the best. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.